Welcome to our lesson about the Trim Entities tool. Let's begin by activating the Trim Entities tool. The first option is a power trim. It works like this. Hold down your left mouse button and just drag over the entities that you'd like to remove. To extend an entity, hold down the Shift key and drag with your left mouse button held down. Another way to trim is to select the entity and then the trimming boundary. Next, let's take a look at the corner trim method. Select your first entity and then the second entity. So first entity and second entity. Again, the first and the second entities, and a corner is created. Now let's take a look at Trim Away Inside. First, we select the trimming boundary and then the elements to trim. Trim Away Outside works very similarly. And lastly here is the Trim to Closest method. We simply select the entity, or we drag an entity to another entity to extend it. And this concludes our lesson about the Trim Entities tool.